What is cash flow projection for construction projects? Imagine trying to build a house without knowing if you have enough money to pay for materials or workers. That's where cash flow projection comes into play. It's a key tool used in managing project budgets, project management and site operations, and project planning and control. A cash flow projection is like a financial forecast that estimates how much money will come in and go out during the life of a construction project. It helps you see if you will have enough cash at each stage to cover expenses. Think of it as mapping out your financial journey from start to finish. On the inflow side, you include payments from clients, progress billings, deposits, and sometimes loans or investments. Outflows cover costs like paying workers, buying materials, renting equipment, and covering other expenses. The difference between these two is your net cash flow. If it's positive, you have more money coming in than going out. If it's negative, you might face cash shortages. In project planning and control, cash flow projections are essential. You start with your total project budget, then track actual expenses as work progresses. Subtract what you've spent from your budget to find out what remains. Next, you spread out the remaining costs over the project timeline, considering key phases like foundation, framing, and finishing. To visualize how costs will be distributed, many use the S-curve. This curve shows lower costs at the beginning and end of the project, with higher costs during the middle phases. It helps you plan when cash will be needed most. Using software or spreadsheets makes creating these forecasts easier. They can automatically update based on actual expenses and schedules. Regular reviews of your cash flow projection help identify potential funding gaps early. If you see a dip in cash, you can plan for contingencies or seek additional funding. Sharing your cash flow forecast with stakeholders keeps everyone aligned. It shows investors, clients, and team members what the financial outlook is and what's needed to keep the project on track. In short, a cash flow projection is a vital part of managing your construction project's finances. It helps you stay ahead of potential problems, ensures you have enough money at each stage, and keeps your project moving smoothly toward completion.